Okay, hello everyone. Hope everyone's doing great. I know I am. And I wanted to do a quick video to introduce what will soon be the latest MiyoLinux offering. And what this is it's more uh, it's more for like the open box purists who like to have full control and configuration over their menu. So what I'm doing is I'm calling this Miyo-Basic because it's a basic open box system where the user will have to edit the menu themselves. However, out of the box, I do have a menu with a dynamic applications menu. As you see, I don't have any icons in the menu. However, the dynamic applications menu does have icons for those who want to use it. And if you still want to use the dynamic applications in the menu, but you'd rather not have any icons on it, all you need to do is come over to the menu editor. Here, open box, menu editor. And we'll go down to that applications menu. And right here in between, see here at the bottom on the execute line, right between open box menu and LXDE applications menu, put your cursor there, skip a space and put -I. Save it. Let's see if I have to reconfigure. Nope, don't have to reconfigure. Alright, let me close that out so you can see that better. So there you go, no icons in the menu. Alright, but what if you want to use a menu where you have full control over it, where you can edit it, put what you want, where you want? Let me show you how that'll be done. You'll open your file manager. And I've already have it showing hidden files. I'm going to open another window. It's just easier for me to do it this way. Go to config, open box, and I'll do the same over, bleach bit, good grief. Config, open box. Now you'll see here I have this extra folder called menus. Inside that folder are two more folders. Here we have the dynamic applications. That's the menu that we're using right now that has that dynamic applications menu. And we have the manual folder. If you want to use the manual menu, just open that folder, right click on the menu XML file, copy it, and paste it into your open box folder. It'll ask you to override it. Then open your menu, go to open box, reconfigure. Let me move this so you'll be able to see it. And now we have a menu where you do all of the editing yourself. I have basically all of the different categories already included, although some of them are empty, like graphics. Nothing here in graphics. Internet, all you'll get's the Conman UI setup. Multimedia, all you get out of the box is PAVU control. Nothing in Office, nothing in Other. There's your various settings, your various system category, and under Mio accessories. Now, if you notice, I have PAVU control installed. But for those who don't want to use Pulse Audio and PAVU control, you can just remove that. And I have included an awesome mixer that you can use instead. Okay? So that's basically how it would work. You still get the Mio accessories, still get the panel chooser. We're in efficient mode now. This is also fashion mode, which is the XFCE4 panel. Okay. Now, what else is special about this release? One thing that I am very excited about, I'm going to change this over because, hey, I like using a dynamic menu myself, okay? One of the things that is very special about this particular build to me, and when I release this, it's going to be released as Miyo-Basic, codenamed Addy. Miyo-Basic, codenamed Addy. Miyo-Basic because it's more for the open box purists who like to have more control over their menu. But why is it codenamed Addy? Well, if you see this Tint 2 panel down here on the bottom, that's from a Linux enthusiast known as Addy. I have also included a couple of GTK themes, and that's what you're seeing out of the box here. This is one of his themes. I included a light theme from Addy. I can't remember what Phantom. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So Addy, if you're watching this, please forgive me if I'm not. That's this dark theme that you're seeing here. And he also has this light theme. Lumiere. I'm not sure what it's called. So, 2 GTK themes from Addy. Window border themes. Trist Frawley. This is the one that comes with it out of the box by default. Vent. See, that goes with that Lumiere GTK theme. And there's also Leve Frawley, which goes with the Lumiere theme. But out of the box, you're getting this Trist Frawley. And so you get 2 GTK themes from him, 3 window border themes, and the default Tint 2 panel came from him. Now, I did also include, some of my own, but I think that Addy does spectacular work. He comes up with some of the most beautiful theming that I've seen. And I was wanting to use his stuff, so I contacted him. He says on his GitHub page to freely use it, but I felt it was only right for me to contact him. So I contacted him and asked him if I could use it, and he graciously agreed. So this is Miyo-Basic, codenamed Addy. So Addy, thank you. I really do appreciate it. I think you do outstanding work. And for those who, you're just going to get a taste of his work here on this build. He has a GitHub page. I include that in the release notes. And like all previous releases of MiyoLinux, the release notes are in the file manager and the documents. Okay? Documents. Release notes. Okay? So that's about it. I hope to have this released soon, within a week. And this will probably be my last build for a while. I'm hoping, I wanted to go ahead and do a Devlin Beowulf build. And it could be done, but it would take a lot of pinning, I'd have to pin several policy kit items, and I don't really want to do that to people. So what I'm hoping is that will be worked out soon in Dev1, and I can go ahead and hopefully release a Beowulf build soon. But that remains to be seen. I don't know. I also have a lot of things I need to do for my job, and I'm going to be quite busy for a while. But I hope folks will appreciate this build. I know I've kind of set a standard for myself by using Ob Menu Generator in my builds, but this is one I've wanted to actually do for a long time. For more of the people who are more purist in using OpenBox, where they have more control over their menu. So that's about it. Just wanted to quickly introduce this, and I wanted to really thank Addy. Seems like a great guy. What little I've interacted with him, nice guy, great guy, and does marvelous work. So check out his GitHub page, and let's see, let me pull that up for you again real quick. I don't have a I just have installed this. This was a test build, and everything's pretty good. I found a few little things I need to fix, but I haven't installed a web browser yet. So I will show you his web address on his GitHub page, but I will also include it in the description of the video, okay? So here is his GitHub page, and anybody who likes OpenBox, I would encourage you to go to that page and check his stuff out. He also has some dot files on there that are pretty interesting. So there you go. Miyo-Basic, codenamed Addy, coming soon. Thanks guys, hope you all have a great weekend, and thanks for watching. And thank you, Addy. Talk to you later.